Regular composting and mulching create an environment that makes your landscape less attractive to ants by reducing exposed soil and disrupting their foraging and nesting patterns. When you add compost and mulch consistently, you build a physical barrier that limits ants' access to food and nesting sites, so keep mulch layers at least 3 inches thick and replenish them yearly to maintain coverage. Use compost as the primary fill material when topping beds because it retains moisture evenly and reduces the dry cracks ants favor for nest entrances. Diversify mulch types by combining organic mulches like shredded bark, leaves, and wood chips to discourage species that prefer a particular substrate and to vary decomposition rates, so the ground condition changes over time. Monitor edges, gaps around foundations, and pathways weekly during warm months, and quickly fill any low spots with compost to prevent ants from finding new access points. When you suspect a colony near plant roots, avoid deep tilling that can scatter brood and instead create a moist barrier by applying a thick compost band 1 inch to 2 inches away from stems to redirect ants without damaging roots. Combine these habits with routine removal of fruit, pet food, and loose soil that can attract foragers, and you reduce the chance of recolonization without relying on chemical controls. A common mistake is applying mulch too thinly, which leaves soil exposed and provides easy access for ants, so simply add more compost and reach that 3-inch depth to close gaps. Another issue is using a single mulch type that decomposes too quickly or repels moisture, which can create favorable microhabitats. So rotate materials and mix in coarser pieces to maintain breathability and slower breakdown. People also forget to check transitions such as where walkways meet beds, and those gaps act as highways for ants, so inspect and fill those seams with compost immediately and tamp lightly to eliminate tunnels. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a place to share experiences about ongoing landscape practices like composting and mulching, helping people learn what works in their neighborhood. We host a discussion community where our members exchange tips, report local pest trends, and contractors can find homeowner projects and post their services.